Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to create a lovely card, which with a method I really enjoy. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like my video if you do. And I will not be talking the whole time simply because you'll see what's happening, and I don't have so much to tell you. But this is just I just got this picture out of an old atlas, or you can use an old map or something like that. I think this is a part of Vietnam, but that's not the issue. Just drew over it, and then you get a very special and nice effect. I just use normal brushing pens, but the effect is that you can see through it, and that makes it really nice. And that's for that reason this not very important what kind of map you use, because you can see through as well. And as you see, I just use a layer under it because well, then that's better for the coloring, so you can you can color like a little child, and use all the paper you have. And it doesn't matter which colors you use, it's just fun. And I'm putting black lines between the different colors. It doesn't matter if you forget a part or do it a little bit wrong. It's just for the view, just a little bit. And you can, of course, tuck it in a junk journal or something else, but I glue it on just an ordinary card so that I can send it to a friend. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe or to like the video. And I hope to see you next time. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.